Hi everyone, this video is about the website Abcya. So I typed into Google Abcya and it's just abcya.com. And so this is what it brings you to. You do not need to create an account or log in. You can if you want to purchase it, but you don't need to purchase it for the basic needs of playing the games and looking through the grade levels activities they have. So I like how they have K through 6 right here at the top. This is a fun website for students to play educational games. This video is really for teachers and admin for them to see the benefits of this website and even introducing students to this website. I found it interesting, like I said, it has games for K through 6, and then once you click on a grade, it gives kind of more specific categories. So it can be for fun, there's holiday games on here, some skill, some strategy, or some basic letters and numbers. But my favorite part is it has this Common Core standards for each grade, and you can click on that and sort through the standards and then go from there on picking the games. I could see myself using this during reading centers, assigning different groups to different games depending on what standard they need to work on, or even during math centers because there are math games on here too, or as an enrichment activity when they are done with math. So it aligns to math standards just like it aligned to the reading standards. The two ISTE standards are 3.1a, ensure all students have skilled teachers who actively use technology to meet student learning needs. By sharing this video to teachers, it gives everyone a chance to learn and meet their students' learning needs through games while focusing on standards that they need help in. And 3.1b, ensure all students have access to the technology and the connectivity necessary to participate in authentic and engaging learning opportunities. I think this website gives them a great opportunity to have some engaging learning opportunities doing something different online rather than paper pencil. So I'm going to click on grade 3 Common Core standards. Here are standards. You can sort by games, and there's even, you can print some of the games, not all of them. Oh, sorry. Here are the grades. I'm going to click on grade 3. I'm going to go to math. And I like how it also has the standards for mathematical practice right here, just a couple of them. You can sort, have them practice those standards. Or you can go down here and go to base 10 and dig a little deeper into certain standards. Just going to click on this one, and it pulls up 3 games. And it even tells you what grades they're kind of recommended for. Just going to click on this first one. Here's the game right here. It's just helping them. This one's just virtual manipulatives to help students learn math concepts of adding and subtracting. So you can give them problems, or they can just play around and build numbers with it. And so that is ABC. I also really like that you could go to other grade level standards. So maybe if you have a student needing to work on a grade below them standards, you could do it that way in a game format. But I think this is a really great way to incorporate those specific standards that you know your students are struggling with and assign it on this website. And that is my video.